Rain on the pavement, 2 a.m. trains. Your voice still echoes in London lanes. Street lights flicker like they feel my pain. I lost you once, I'll lose you again. You said be strong with a half smile face. Strength don't live in an empty place. London knows my name, knows my scars, knows how I loved you under broken stars. From Brixton nights to the Thames Cold view, the city breathes, but not like you. Stop memories, late night calls. Your laugh still lives in these brick walls. I walk along where we used to be, holding the past like a tragedy. You moved on fast like the Northern Line. I'm still waiting, stuck in time. London knows my name. You crossed the river, I stayed behind. Big Ben rings like it's cut in pain. Every second whispers your name. London knows my name, my broken truth, how I gave my heart.